Manufacturing in the modern age is all about speed, adaptability, efficiency, and ingenuity. And with increasing product variability matched with shorter development and production cycles, manufacturing has been pushed to limits that require new, innovative solutions. The current issue we face is that manufacturing equipment historically has not been designed to deal with the high levels of product variance we see today. Production lines are typically set up and expected to carry out the exact same task over and over. The variability of products on the market today has led to a frequent need to reconfigure machines for a new product run rather quickly. Now there's a way to adapt to shifting market needs without having to build hardware from scratch. Software-defined factories make it possible to repurpose automation technology using accurate and precise data. That's why NXP Semiconductors has released N-AFE. These software-configurable features allow the inputs to be adapted to the proper sensors. This eliminates the time required to replace the entire measurement unit every time there's a change in the production run. Another important element in the manufacturing world, especially in the Industry 4.0 era, is product quality. Accuracy and precision of input data from the NXP analog front end opens the door for improved product quality. For example, in the pharmaceutical industry, a very small variation in the measurement could compromise the proper dosage in a pill. However, increased efficiency and precision isn't the end of the story. Manufacturers are turning towards predictive maintenance to optimize production processes and reduce costly machine downtime. This aims to boost production efficiency while streamlining manufacturing infrastructure management. The NXP analog front end is the key to unlocking new levels of visibility and insight, enabling preventive maintenance. Diagnostics and anomaly detection features from N-AFE help to identify issues before they occur, resulting in production efficiency and improved workplace safety. NXP's analog front end offers the tools manufacturers need to meet the variability of the market. Please visit nxp.com/NAFE for more information on the most flexible analog front end with software-configurable analog inputs. We bring digital to life. Give your smart factory the chance to thrive.